Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us how to pay NEPA bill or how to buy NEPA token. If you're using prepaid meter in Nigeria and you want to buy NEPA bill, maybe the NEPA office they've closed and you want to do it online, very simply using remita. You can do it using remita. Just type in www.remita.net or type in this address the way it is written here and click on enter. So once you do that, this website will open. Simply go to click on where they wrote buy electricity token. Especially if you're in Abuja, that's when this is very simple for you. So when you type electricity token, you're going to see this is Abuja Electricity Distribution Company, AEDC. So simply name of service, type in what you want. This is for Abuja Electricity. Maybe with time they are going to put for Lagos and other places. Type in your address here, type in your meter number. Everybody has meter, your prepaid meter number. Type in the amount you want to pay for or buy. Type in your name here and your email. Confirm your email by retyping it again. Then select how you want to pay, mostly using MasterCard. Then put your card number. Put the name on your card, or that's your ATM card. The number on the expiry date, and the CVV is the 3 number at the back. Then click on I'm not a robot and click on submit. Then continue with the other page that you see. They will send you OTP, put it in. Then you'll be able to buy pin for your this thing. Very simple using remita. Please, if you like this, click on the subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. If you like this video, like it and share it so that other people can see and know how to pay NEPA bills, especially when you are in Abuja using remita. So it's a very easy way to do it so that you don't stress yourself going to NEPA office or power holding office when you can simply do it on your own when you have internet services through your phone or on the PC. So simply type in www.remita.net, click on buy electricity token to open up this, fill in your details and click on submit. Then that's how you just do it. Very simply using your ATM card you can make this payment and you start having light immediately. So this is one of the ways you can do this. Thank you. If you like this, please click on the subscribe button on this side of this video. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Like and share this video. Thank you. God bless you. See you again. If you need any video on how to do anything, please put it on this comment section and tell me. I will do a video for you teaching you anything that you want to learn in Nigeria, because this is the station, this is the channel for that. Tclassified.com. Once you're here, you can learn a whole lot of things. Anything you want to learn, let us know about it. We'll prepare a video that teaches you that. Yes, thank you very much. This is especially for